So are these notes that I'm playing climbing up or climbing down? Are you ready? Listen.
Climbing up.
Did you think they were climbing up?
Yeah.
Good, all right, good. And then number 2, climbing up or climbing down?
Climbing down.
Well,
I can see it.
I haven't played anything yet. So you had to choose between whether you hear notes that are going up or going down. Are you ready?
Climbing down.
Did you hear that was climbing down? Good. All right, so now let's do it. I know, so you would circle that one. Absolutely. And then this one, climbing up or climbing down? Listen.
Climbing up.
Do you think that was right, Beth? Were you climbing up? Good. Can you circle the, oh, I forgot what the other ones were. I think it was that. All right, and then the last one. Listen, listen, listen. Ready? Climbing up or climbing down? How do you know I'm going to do climbing down? I might do climbing up. Ready? Listen.
That's wrong.
It just sounded funny to you? Yes, I was climbing up. Good for you. All right, and then we get to sing along. Oh my gosh, time to sing. Follow along with your teacher. We're going to sing up the scale and down the scale. Oh my gosh, are you ready for this? We're going to sing. Well, that's a lot of notes to sing, isn't it? Oh my gosh. So let's just sing only 5 notes. La, 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 la. Beth, can you sing that with us? La, 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 la. And then let's sing it going down. La, 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 la. Good. And you know what? I think I'm going to either play it up or down. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Close your eyes, you too. Okay.
That's up.
All right, Beth, was it up?
Down.
I think she did that just to be funny. Did you know that was, you didn't think that was up, did you? Or down, did you?
Down.
This would be down. You hear that? Let's sing that. La, 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 la. And that's going down, right? Do you hear that? Yeah. Okay, that's very good.